So if you're investing in crypto, you have been seeing AI coins pop off very significantly, mainly low cap AI gems. Some of them up on the 24-hour, up 70%, 100%, and for that 7-day, up 300 to 400%. And many people are starting to flutter to these low cap AI gems. And I want to highlight one specific project, HashAI, which has been crushing the game with their transparency, the innovation they're bringing into the space, the awareness that they're bringing from multiple kols and influencers, and overall just why I'm super bullish on the project and why I think you should be looking into it. Overall though, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on specific indicators around the markets, as well as highlighting key projects that I am super bullish on, and overall just giving you all the consensus without the fluff on what's going on. Overall, I want to highlight HashAI, jump into a little bit about the project, give you guys the realness around my perspective around it, as well as my investments because I'm invested into this project, as well as kind of, why I'm super bullish. But overall, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. So guys, like I said, the project I want to discuss today is HashAI. In today's video, I want to just give you guys a general perspective, a real transparent perspective as to what I think about the project, how it launched earlier this year, exactly how it has been forming in this 2024 crypto bull cycle, influencers and kols, how they've been chilling it, exactly why it's pumping, and a little bit information around it. I don't want to get into specifics around the tokenomics, the node rental system, and everything else around it. I just want to give you guys a real perspective from a actual investor in this project, why I'm bullish around it and why multiple other people are bullish around it. But overall, let's jump into it. So HashAI, guys, is a new coin that launched earlier this year in April. It is a product that has been in the space for a little bit longer than that. I did see the chief strategic officer talking about them. You should go follow them on X as well as YouTube because I saw a lot of great information that big influencers and kols do not talk about in terms of exactly what is behind the project, how they started, and more information around that. But throughout this whole crypto bull cycle, HashAI has been one of the most transparent projects, leading with a lot of great partnerships and innovation around their technology, and exactly how they plan to change the space. Throughout this whole crypto bull cycle, I have not seen another project as active, as transparent, as real with their community as HashAI is. And the community around HashAI is also very, very great. As you can see around the sentiment in the past few days and weeks, HashAI has been getting a lot of hype, and this is due to multiple different reasons. I saw a great post from Crypto God John from Binance that they pretty much published an article for the most searched AI coins in 2024. As you can see, there's some great coins, some big coins like FET and Render and Tau on this list, but then you could see some low cap AI gems like Desync and POW and OXO GPU, and then none other than HashAI, which is the project that we're discussing today. And this is getting a lot of sentiment and mindshare from retail investors, and that's not all. That is also causing a lot of the pumps that we're seeing in the markets. We're also seeing big influencers and kols talk about HashAI and multiple other low cap AI gems, just because the AI sector is starting to get the mindshare that it really needs, as opposed to a few weeks ago when meme coins were really pumping up really hard. And a lot of this is just due to the fact that these projects are actually bringing real innovative technology to the space, behind exactly the passive income that they're building, node rental systems for companies, and exactly how they're changing crypto mining for companies as well as the average investor. And this is where I implore you to do more research on the project, how people feel about the project. But this is bullish signs, guys. You want to have a strong community mindshare around the project, and having big influencers and kols behind the project as well, just shows to the fact that they really believe in the project and exactly what they are doing. Overall, a lot of people are pricing in some crazy pumps that are going to be happening. And if we look at the chart, guys, HashAI for the 7-day is up significantly. 7 days, it's up 123%. On that 14-day, up 267%. 30-day, 481%. So guys, excuse me, overall throughout these past few weeks, we have been pumping very hard, and anyone that has been allocated to these positions are seeing some crazy gains. I am actually allocated to HashAI. I have been buying ever since they launched back in April, whenever Crypto God John talked about them, just because I started doing more research around HashAI, and I knew that this is a fresh project that is going to change up the space in terms of how the average investor can take advantage of crypto mining, as well as how companies are going to start taking advantage of the node rental system and much more. This is why this is one of my main allocated positions. And also, the AI sector is super fresh. We honestly do not know exactly the potential behind a lot of these coins, which is why a lot of people are betting on a lot of these low cap AI gems. These things are going to start ripping up very significantly, especially any coins that are actually bringing innovative technology to the space, which HashAI is one of those projects. So guys, with none other than the fact that, we have great posts from Binance highlighting, the most searched AI coins and HashAI being on that, and big hosts talking about the project, and also the fact that it's a new coin that launched earlier this year and still has so much more room to grow, hasn't even reached the all-time highs that we saw back in March. This leads us into exactly the website and more around the project. Like how I said, I don't want to jump into specifics around the tokenomics, node rental system, and everything around it. I'm just going to give you guys a broad overview around the website, how I feel about it, what is highlighted, what I think you need to know about, as well as my perspective. At the end of the day, retail investors are just going to be jumping into projects and just trying to make the most gains, but I implore you to do more research and really have an understanding of what you're investing in. So HashAI has been dropping a lot of updates, not only to their website but also to their roadmap, which is really great, just to show that they're very transparent and active with their community and exactly what they're planning on bringing to the space. Their mission is a key point that I actually want to highlight to y'all, which is one of the main reasons why I'm super bullish. They say the mission is to be the world-leading ecosystem for successful evolutionary AI crypto mining. This is for, guys, not only companies but also passive income for the retail investor. Anyone that's investing in crypto or any crypto coin wants to be able to make a return, and if not be able to make a return, understand exactly why that project is going to be making a crazy crack in the sector and in the space, and how it's going to intertwine and cause their investments to pump up. Jumping into that, empowering individuals and businesses with the infrastructure to thrive. So not only allowing the average individual to invest and have that passive income in that crypto mining space, but also allow businesses to thrive off of their infrastructure. This is where I really implore you to go follow them on YouTube and on X and understand exactly how this technology is going to be utilized by companies. I'm not going to get into the specifics around that into this video. Like I said, I want to keep it quick and concise as to why a retail investor would want to invest into it. As you guys can see, they have a lot of great points as to why they're super bullish and how they plan to do this. Reliability, providing secure, dependable infrastructure for your crypto mining journey, using real great technology from big companies. Transparency, they believe in open communication and building trust with their community. They have received multiple awards throughout this crypto bull cycle from multiple events around their transparency. And if you want to invest in a project, you are looking for transparency. Decentralized by design. On their website, I saw the chief strategic officer talking about how their AI infrastructure with crypto mining is the reason how they're really be creating a decentralized ecosystem for companies and individuals. Future-proof innovation, pretty much utilizing their ever-evolving artificial intelligence to proactively develop mining solutions, just to pretty much keep on innovating and lower costs and improve it for companies. And then on top of that, guys, they are being an advocate for responsible mining practices and eco-friendly stuff, which everybody wants to see, just because no one wants to destroy the environment. Jumping into the team, guys, I don't want to jump into everybody in specific, but everybody that I have done research around this project is very transparent, real, and they also have great backgrounds as to what they have been doing in the crypto markets, as well as other spaces that correlate with exactly crypto mining and much more. Jumping into learning more about their projects and partners, this is jumping into the cutting edge technology around AI and exactly how they're planning on doing that. HashAI is a revolutionary force in the cryptocurrency mining, pioneering AI optimized operations, sustainable practices, and a strong community focus. This unique combination positions us as a beacon of innovation and efficiency in the industry. And guys, you want to be looking for that for industry leaders, and right now we are seeing those people emerge, HashAI being one of them. AI, how they plan on utilizing AI and really getting on this and not being someone that just rides on the coattail. Our solution leverages cutting edge AI to analyze market conditions and identify the most lucrative coins in real time. This allows us to dynamically adjust what your rigs mine, maximizing your returns. Unlike traditional mining operations, our AI ensures there's no downtime for your investment. So this, guys, separates them from traditional mining operations by utilizing their AI algorithms with, you know, that crypto mining technology to make sure you are maximizing on your, you know, computing technology as well as your crypto mining efficiency. How they plan on doing this, guys, they operate on a combination of NVIDIA and AMD GPUs. So they're using very, very big companies that are actually bringing innovative technology and also the most cutting edge tech. So they have, you know, those NVIDIA and AMD GPUs to ensure they are not limited in their choice of coin as to what they can mine. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, they developed a world-leading mining algorithm that maximizes hash power. This translates to maximize returns for you, not just raw processing power. And then the tokenomics, guys, like I said, don't want to get too into specifics, but I want to do highlight that they have an 84.56 circulating supply, just to let you know that most of those coins are in supply and 15.4% of them are burned. This is just showing you guys that they are, you know, very real, and you know, this offers a lot of opportunity for the traditional investor. Jumping into the roadmap, guys, they have already done their branding and web development, as we can see throughout this 2024 crypto bull cycle, with the beautiful website as well as innovations around that white paper. Jumping into it, the growth and partnerships has been very, very key, guys, throughout this year. That's why I really implore you to go follow them on X. They're really transparent with what they have been trying to achieve as well as what they have achieved and, you know, future plans. Jumping into year 2 is really going to be focused on the infrastructure and market access, expanding the market accessibility, and overall just scaling up. Just because right now, guys, as you guys, if you aren't aware, they have been building real, you know, infrastructure as well as with their facilities and much, much more, which not a lot of companies can say. Having actual real facilities and still innovating and still bringing more facilities, this is just really crazy, guys, which is why a lot of people are investing in HashAI, not only a digital but also real life action company. Jumping into that, year 3, guys, global expansion and sustainability. They already have partnerships with big companies, as well as jumping into other countries like China, UK, and multiple others. And, you know, like how I said, I don't want to get into the specifics around it. I just want to talk about exactly why everybody is super bullish about this. And this jumps into, you know, their transparent communication, real-time analytics, evolving algorithms, and world-leading expertise. HashAI also has a share pool and ecosystem where you can make passive income if you're investing in their coins. So this is also just another reason why many people are starting to look into HashAI, not only because of the innovation that they're bringing, but the fact that you can make passive income on this coin. And so, guys, with all that being said, I want to wipe all that to the side just because I want to be real with y'all. I don't want this video just talking about specific numbers and what they're, you know, doing in terms of the, you know, actual achieved and this and that. I want to give you guys a real sentiment around the perspectives on the markets, specific people that are talking about it, the kols, how the coin has been performing this year, exactly my perspective, why I'm invested in it, why it's one of my top allocated positions, and why multiple other people are starting to run towards it. Overall, right now, HashAI is one of the leading low cap AI gems. As I said, jumping back into it, overall, following them on X, you can really see the transparency that they bring to the space, how their community feels about the project, and exactly what they plan to bring in terms of future predictions and innovation. In terms of the sentiment around the project, we're seeing some great highlights from Binance talking about, you know, the most searched AI coins in 2024 and HashAI being on that list. We also have big holes like Alex Becker talking about HashAI and multiple low cap AI gems, which is just pointing to the fact that this is going to be a great coin for multiple reasons. We jump into the fact that this coin is a new coin that launched earlier this year and has had its ups and downs, and is currently on the 7-day running very significantly. For the 7-day up 123%, 14-day up 267%, and on the 30-day 481%. If you're allocated to this coin, guys, and have been allocated, you are seeing some crazy significant gains, just because we're really starting to see a shift in sentiments. And this is where, you know, I implore you to start doing more research on the project. We ran through the website, jumped into a little bit of why HashAI is super bullish, their mission, what they really focus on, a little bit about the team, as well as exactly learning a little bit more as to why they are doing what they're doing and why you need to know a little bit about the cutting edge technology. But overall, today's video is to get you a little bit more familiar with one of the leading AI coins in this crypto bull cycle in terms of the lower cap, market cap AI gems. Right now, a lot of people are starting to shift their sentiment from those meme coins into actual proper utility coins revolved around AI, RWA, and multiple others. But I want to really highlight HashAI. It's one of my mainly allocated positions. This is not an affiliated video, so I'm not getting paid to make this video. But overall, I am planning on just sharing my experience with this project, being transparent. I know everyone is trying to look for the best buy, trying to make the gains in this 2024-2025 crypto bull cycle, and really revolving yourself around a project that is not only being transparent with what they're doing, but also bringing real innovation to the space around crypto mining, around that AI technology, and not just riding on the coattail of the term AI is really gonna be super bullish for your bags, guys. I think a lot of people are wanting to really focus on this sector, but focusing on the correct coins in the sector is gonna be very, very key to maximizing on those gains. And I think HashAI is one of those projects. I've been talking about this project throughout this whole 2024 crypto bull cycle. Whenever I first started allocating to the position till now, whenever I have a whole bunch of hash, and I plan on still allocating more throughout the dips and throughout this whole crypto bull cycle. But guys, I hope this video gives you a little bit more information as to why I'm bullish around HashAI, why multiple other people are bullish around HashAI, why the sentiment is starting to lean towards it, as well as what you need to focus on. I think the AI sector is going to be very, very crazy in terms of the gains it brings to the space, the valuations that we're currently seeing. I really hope you are aware of exactly what is going on. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on exactly the projects you need to know, like HashAI, as well as updates on the market. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on indicators around the markets, as well as highlighting key projects that I am investing in that I think are going to run very, very crazy. HashAI is going to be one of those coins. I can't wait to make an updated video in the next few months whenever we start to see, the actual sentiment shift, when retail starts to pour into the market and utility starts to get the highlight that it needs. But guys, go do your research on HashAI, go do some research on the AI sector and understand how bullish this is. But other than that, drop me a comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think of HashAI as well as anything else. But other than that, I drop daily content every day, so stay tuned and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.